Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. Now in this haul I'm going to share with you food finds, house finds, and then in the next haul I'm going to share with you all of the beauty finds, all of the new beauty items I found. I'm just super excited. Most of them are skincare, so stay tuned for that. And also at the end of this one I'm going to have a small Walmart haul tacked on. So let's just jump right in. They have their Easter candies out, if you can believe it, because today is February the 14th when I'm filming this. All the stores are stocked with Easter. And they had a extra value pack of these Tootsie Fruit Chews, and love these. I picked this up for me and Connor, the Icebreakers Ice Cubes Arctic Grape Gum. This is our favorite. Got some Junior Mint Eggs, and a Fruity Pebble, a White Chocolate Bunny. We like these drink packets, and so I picked up two A&Ws, a crushed watermelon, which we've never tried, sun-kissed orange, it's pretty good, we tried that one, and never tried the lemon iced tea, Weiler's Light, so I'm excited to try this one. I love the peach tea, but I haven't tried the lemon. Getting into the household items from Jot brand, there's 120 count push pins, 48 forks, spoon, and knife set. We picked up this sink strainer. I needed a new plug for my sink. I also had been wanting one of these small slotted turners or spatulas, and they had a navy and the red today, and I almost always will pick a red, teal, or a gray, so mostly teal and red. It matches all my Pioneer Woman stuff, so I've been wanting that. For Oscar, we picked up these Nature's Corner Water Buffalo Jerky dog treats. You can see some of my groceries here. But anyways, two of the boxes of Scotty's tissues. There's 128 count. A aluminum foil. Can no longer find the sheets. I am so disappointed. But 40 square feet of that. And last but not least, for Dollar Tree, I picked up the big row of paper towels with 100 count, and I'm missing 140 count as well on that, but 100 sheets, not bad. And now, since this is such a small Dollar Tree haul, I'm going to share some Walmart items with you. At Walmart, we picked up the Secret Life of Pets 2, the DVD, and this is, I'm going to give this to Connor as a birthday gift. Birthdays this month, and we found a couple clearance items, and that's going to be it for this haul. We found the Highlands Kids Cough and Mucus Daytime, and this is marked down to $3.50, and this had been almost $8, so $7.67. Marked down to $3.50. It's always good to have that stuff stocked up. And then, last but not least, at Walmart, in the clearance aisle as well, I found the Physicians Formula I Love My Skin So Matcha set. This is an over $30 set, it says. And this was almost $17. It was $16.98, marked down to $5. And you get the Melting Cleansing Balm. And it's like a 3-in-1 melting cleansing balm. And also got the 3-in-1 beauty water, so it's just a facial mist, but this is a nice set for $5, marked down to $5. And Physicians Formula is usually really great. I love their products, and this would make, if you don't buy this for yourself, if you found this in your Walmart, it would make a great like gift for someone that likes makeup, skincare kind of. Everything I got at the Dollar Tree and Walmart. And I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for Dollar Tree beauty finds. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.